mission statement is engineered solutions for a safer, more productive steel industry. The fact that we are sort of a one-stop shop in many aspects of the steel industry, I think is fantastic. At the end of the day, it's beneficial to the customer because they can come to us and say, this is what we've got, and they can just leave it alone after that. They don't have to worry about it. I design the systems for our SMAC units that we install in the steel mills. A lot of times we do work off the scans in the beginning.
The 3D scans helped us identify areas where we needed to modify platforms, new structure we had to add. It just made it a little bit easier to visualize and see where we would have maybe an obstruction. In dealing with the SMAC team, they went through, and after we got through analyzing all the details, they built the system based off of what my needs were. It wasn't something that was just off the shelf ready.
Almost every project we do from start to finish, it's going to be a full custom design and engineered project. We're a one-stop shop, so the customer buys the equipment, yes, but we also offer the full design of the whole system, and we offer the install, and then we offer the maintenance.
Being able to work with a great team to help us design it, help us install it, implement it, service it, that's a service that's worth its weight in gold.